Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the euro dollar. Just go out to the daily and I'll show you what I've got marked up, on the chart. So weekly open, we opened, what's today? Tuesday, Monday. There it is, this is our weekly open. We traded south. It's a strong move down, coming back up into it at the moment. So on the daily we've got this green candle here to the left. I've just marked that up as a key level of resistance, and we can see this is actually a 4 hour. We have this nested 4 hour. So we've got the weekly open level here, we've got a daily and a 4 hour nested level. So have a look left, you can see this zone or this range through here. Distribution level, trades down, comes back into it. I mean, it's a classic pullback Fibonacci retrace. If we grab the fib, say from this, the high down, there it is. So it kind of makes sense to me to look for a short opportunity on this retrace up into this daily and 4 hour nested level through here. So I've actually shorted this on my live account. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join my free Discord group. There's a lot more going on in there, and yeah, great value. So we're looking at this. We've got the 61.8 fib pullback. See the yellow zone on the fib? So that's my key area here for a retrace fib pullback. With the trend, 4 hour at the moment is trading down. We've got to break a structure, and I like the pullback here. So my bias is definitely short. If we take it directly off this 4 hour, we could short it here. Stop loss is going to go above this daily level here, this previous high, slightly above. And I mean, where do you want to go with that? Go for a 1 to 5 risk reward. But I'll be looking for target 1 fairly early. I would even go for target 1 around, let's just see, this 23.6. So I'd like to call that, say even between, see this brown colored levels on the fib here? I like in between those. So I'd go in here, you know, I mean, possibly even 38.2. It's a little bit early, but you know, you could take 2/3 of your position off that, off there, say 70%. And if we get momentum to the downside, then just trail the rest and see what we get out of it with the 30% remaining. So that would be my play with the euro dollar at the moment. Stop loss up here. But once you take your 70% off, definitely pull your stop loss down, and I would pull that down to just in around here. So this would be, well, above wherever this pulls back to, but we've got this 4 hour order block in here. So my initial adjustment would probably be down to this weekly open. My stop, if I've taken 70% off here, I would be looking to pull my stop loss down to there. And then if we get further, gain further momentum with it to the downside, then just trail it with the stop loss. So that's my take on the euro dollar. Again, join Discord if you haven't. The link is below. Look forward to seeing you in there. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.